And so yeah, bro, today we got that joint on first try. No ugga-duggas needed. This one's pretty fucking bad.
Yeah, this one's bad. That's like the only good one.
Yeah.
Where's the deck Alright, now that everything's out, we're kind of just going to do a little overview of everything. No particular order, we kind of just have some stuff laying out. We'll go over the pistons and bearings first. She's actually not too bad, she's kind of grimy. Bearings don't look hateful, there's definitely some wear. Keep in mind what the cams look like, but overall, you know, it's a Honda, so it's going to take you where you need to go. So definitely look a little rough, not too hateful. This motor definitely was going through some stuff, per se. I mean, you remember what the cams look like. I'm going to do a little closer look at the cams here in a second. The caps actually don't look too bad. But this is what the cams look like. So there's definitely some debris going through this motor. Like, pretty fucking bad. Apparently this is like from heat treating issues, obviously oil changing issues, so yeah, not good. Also, you can tell by just looking at the head, if I flip this back a little bit, this one's running a little bit lean compared to the rest. So something was definitely going on in the motor, but we're gonna get everything checked and looked at, get all the valves, everything looked at. We're gonna say bye-bye to this oil pump because you know this one's no good for higher RPM. The motor we're gonna be assembling here soon. We want that RPM. But let's take a look at the block too. A couple little things on the block. I'm gonna be boring it out 20 thou, so isn't too hateful. You can see a little bit of wear and tear in there. There are these weird little lines. You can't feel it with your nail, but I don't know. That might have been where the ring was sitting. I've had the motor for a while, but it feels smooth, nothing with your fingernail. I'm gonna get this board over, decked, but we're gonna go ahead and take the crankshaft out here in a second. I'm gonna cut to that right now. Alright, now all the bolts out, come over to your designated prying area. You can just start prying it up. Hold that side. Stop. There she goes. Alright, go ahead. Pull that guy off. A little bit of metal shavings down in here. I think that's the thrust bearing. I cut my hands. I had to drop you guys in here. So hopefully we can polish this up. You can kind of see. Grab a rag. And to see, she's not too bad. She's a little tight too. And we got the cover off now, but this front one's a little. Let's go ahead and pull this guy out. Let's see who's. Yeah, look at that one. I can feel that with my finger. Same with that. I can really feel that. Look at this. Alright, so we got the crank out, and let's look over these bearings. Definitely some wear in there. You know, like I said, I didn't know the exact condition of this motor. This one's pretty, not hateful, but you can kind of feel it. But look at this thrust washer. It's pretty cooked. Like I said, there's a piece of metal that came out of there.